ESOP valuation provision under the Companies Act. So now we are going to focus, having understood the process that needs to be followed as per the Companies Act requirements for the issuance of shares under the ESOP. Now a question, because we all are the valuation professionals, so a question that would come to our mind as to what are the ESOP valuation related provisions under the Companies Act. Let us focus on them. So ESOP valuation and its importance. So why do we need ESOP valuation? Number one, for determining the exercise price. Number two, for accounting under Ind AS 102 or AS 20 as the case may be. Number three, for taxation at the time of allotment. And number four, for compliance with section 62(1)(b) and rule 12. So these are the reasons for which ESOP valuations are required. Now, what are the provisions under the Companies Act with regard to valuation of the ESOPs? So number one, remember, Companies Act does not prescribe any particular method. What it only says is that whatever be the valuation, it must be justified and documented. And thereby, Section 247 of the Companies Act, which is with regard to the valuation per se, requires that now any valuation which is required to be done as per the requirements of Companies Act 2013, that valuation will essentially need to be done by a person who is registered with IBBI. Number two, valuation must be done by a registered valuer. Rule 12 also talks about that. Report must be available at the time of the board approval and thereafter at various stages. Ensures transparency, fairness and compliance. So that is what is expected under the Companies Act. What is the role of registered valuer? Number one, independent professional as per the Companies Act. Determine fair value or the intrinsic value. Issue valuation report with justification. Sign and date the report prior to the option grant, right? So even before the option are granted, and that is what we were discussing earlier also, the role of the valuation professional in case of a ESOP starts even before anything else, or at the time when the promoters of the company, directors of the company, founders of the company are contemplating issuance of any such thing, right? So with this, we come to the close of our discussion as far as the provisions under the Companies Act are concerned for the issuance of the ESOPs. So in case if there is any question, we can take them now, and then we will go to the next topic.